guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to clear the cache on your iPhone. Now if you want to clear the cache of your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to clear the cache of an iPhone, you need to simply follow these steps depending on the app or the content you want to clear the cache for. Now if you want to clear the cache of Safari, then you need to simply open the settings on a device, and under settings you'll see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile service and all of it. So you need to click on the option of general, and on the general you'll see various options like about, software update, iPhone storage and all of it. So you need to go on the option of iPhone storage, and on the iPhone storage you'll see the number of apps which you have installed on a device, and also see the available size of the app and all of it. So you need to scroll down and you need to find the Safari. You'll see the option of show also, click on it, and from here you need to scroll down until you see the Safari app. So after selecting the Safari, you'll see the option of history and downloads and all of it. So click on the option of history, and after clicking on the history and website data, so click on the option of history and website data, and here you will see the option of remove all website data. So click on the option of remove now, and by removing all of it, it will help you to clear the cache of the Safari. Now you may also clear the cache of the iPhone storage system, but there is no direct way to clear the system cache, but by restarting your device it can help to clear the temporary files and also help up to free up some storage. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to clear the cache on iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.